This is Inside Out.
Alright, in the Inside Out, nga bulijjo ne Yosefu Tamale Mirundi Junior. Ono yanga nti amannya ge ne kitaawe gafaanagana sambanya. Omusajja yategeera ate nga mulifaananya obwongo.
Taata Nze Musika. Tetesenga okumpalanya.
Ekyo kibi nnyo.
When you were here,
ani
abantu kibaluma anti eddame lyenzaliiro.
Ni walaluka.
Ate nkulembe. Nze Joseph Tamale Mirundi naye ye Joseph Tamale Mirundi.
That's not a guarantee.
It is a guarantee I'm the heir. Era kibaluma nnyo kyova olabanga every time I'm the center of discussion. Lwaki ye gwayagala? Do you think I'm here by mistake? Why are the rest not here?
No, omusajja ayinza okuba yakuwa erinnya ng'oli muto nga tamanyi kyona. We do that.
Let me tell you, me and my father, we are great friends, we are brothers, we quarrel, we come back together. So when he's not around, Chechipisa Junior, when the senior is not around, I'm here. I'm here. Those are facts of life.
Are you sober, Junior? Am I working with a sober person?
Nebuona akayana, nebuona etuga. I'm here.
You know that your father is a polygamous man. Family is really nyingi. When you come out and say I'm the heir, you know how much damage you cause.
That's not my problem. Whether he's polygamous or non-polygamous, those are his choices. I'm talking about myself. So the others who also want to talk about them, you invite them. Now today, Tamale Mirundi, Joseph Tamale Mirundi Junior, son of Joseph Tamale Mirundi, is the one who is here. Don't tell me the rest. That's a mistake you make. I'm here in 3 capacities. As a son of Mr. Tamale Mirundi Senior, as a heir of Mr. Tamale Mirundi Senior.
You cannot be. How is Tamale Mirundi?
My dad,
very concerned.
My dad is okay. Atandise okutereera era ejjo abasawo bazze bonna 7. They gave us a report. Bwe twamuleetera pressure yali wansi, yali mulwadde, yali talya, yali tayogera. Kakati ejjo bwagenze okutuwa medical report mu meeting eyatendengeddwa Bebekulu. Nja kukola lwaki yagibaddemu. Abasawo ne batuwa alipoota nti ebisinga obungi bikoleddwako bijjanjabiddwa. Naye ekikyamusibye mu ddwaliro kiri ekyo pneumonia. Akolola. Naye bisigadde atambula. Ayogera. You can even go there and see him. Tugenda n'okola ki?
Anti gwe abagendayo ovuma bavume. Kankaka bwe yagenzeyo wavumye muvume.
No, the problem with the Kankaka, mwami Muyanga Lutaya, tuyige ebintu bisatu ku nsi. Tuyige family ne workment. Omuntu bw'alwala akwatibwako ba family bokka.
Kisinza ku muntu alwadde.
Bokka.
Tamale is a public thing.
Sege ati aba family ebya public kati biba biweddewo. Kati family ye, that's when we come in. Go wa public ojja musanga mu public. Eddwaliro is not a public thing. People have rights. Omuntu bw'alwala afuna kye bayita privacy. Ne wabanga president, ne wabanga papa mu nsi teri atalwala. But privacy is needed. Kiyamba abasawo okumujjanjaba n'abajjanjabi okufuna obudde obujjanjaba bwe bajjanjaba. What is there that can't wait? Kati Kankaka,
the public was concerned.
I was telling the public.
Waliwo video ya NBS eraga nti agambye emponye nkomawo ku mpewo.
No.
One on one.
NBS teyina nsobi gye yakoze. Eyo video nkadde ng'abantu we basala videos enkadde. Ekyo si kya NBS. And I greatly apologize to NBS. Kubanga, it's not their problem. People get all the videos, never ziza. ojjawa novume NBS for what?
Kankaka yabadde ayagala kujjawo impression yeeyo
kankaka muvunaana ekintu kyesooka omuvunaana si a spokesperson wa family yaffe. That's one. Kyenagambye erina omwogezi waayo wendi wano
gwomusika gwomwogezi
amira
gwomusika gwomwogezi
nze mwogezi waayo kubanga nze amutuukako nze ayogera ekisembayo. I'm the signatory. I'm the last to speak. Nobody. If you want to test my powers, try me. Yes, kuba tunukula ebintu ng'abategeevu. His son amuyya. Muzeyi bwe yalwala family yonna alwala. Taata bwe yalwala talina baganda be, talina basenga baffe tebaliwo, talina baana be, kankaka mwana we.
Mukwano
nkugambye nti omukwano mu kiseera kino tetwagaba mikwano.
Kanka could have the will of your father.
Yakuba taata wange ebifaananyi mu ddwaliro. Nze I had no problem with whatever information he was putting out. He sneaked into the hospital.
Why do you say sneaked?
He was not invited. We didn't have his appointment. I'm sure Kanka wanted to kill my dad.
Afunechi.
Kubanga ekisooka obukulu tubadde tuyina abagenyi bakasuku bonna abamawulire bonna waliwo n'abamawulire abagenda kati. They have been visiting my dad nga kamera tekirizibwa. Kaguba okwata taata wange nga mulwadde ku mbeera gy'afaananamu n'okakkanya ekitiibwa kye n'okikuba ku mutimbagano gw'okolemu ssente. Is that
was the intention to make money or to clarify?
Please, Mwami Simon Muyangata. When your father is sick, taata utalwala. Wali omugyeeko mu ddwaliro n'omukuba ku social media. Have you ever made content out of your mouth?
I cannot.
Why do you want things that you can't do be done on my father?
Perhaps your father allowed.
Please, I'm talking about myself.
Auntie Yatuse, did you see your father talking to Kanka?
Nkugambye. Lwaki byotayagala kukola bazadde bo oyagala babikole kuffe. Nzize kweyo point. Tewali muntu wa family ategeera. Omulwadde bw'alwala aba takyesalirawo. Kyenatandise nakyo. Nze tatange n'okumutwala mu ddwaliro lwali lutalo. Ye ng'agamba tannalwala. And he kept on doing programs and you could see that the man is sick. Naye ng'ajja wano n'akola show n'atambula n'akola ki? Until when I sat him down. Nze bwe nagenda okumulaba nagambirawo tugende mu ddwaliro. Era nakubira ambulance ekisubi. Nemugamba ono yeetaaga ki? Ngagamba nedda kebanzijanjabira ewaka nja kuwona. Andi simunenya teri mulwadde ategeera nti mulwadde. Nange waliwo endwala. Abo ne bagamba nno Junior oli mulwadde. Luga kyayina amaanyi. Because I'm a decision maker. When it comes to my dad, I'm a decision maker. I don't need anybody's right.
Can you reduce your anger?
Kankaka.
Can you reduce your anger? You know anger is
something that ebifaananyi ebyo ng'abibbirira twamulaba ffenna abaaliwo. I called him, everybody called him, ne tumugaa Kankaka. Toteekayo videos ezo. Kikakkanya ekitiibwa ky'omulwadde. Naffe abantu bajja people think twamutadde okufuna ssente. Era abantu bangi nnyo bankubidde ne baŋŋana naye Junior family yammwe etegeera. Omusajja alina n'empisa eno yonna mu bulago oyinza omukuba ku social media. Alina mu nayiti y'eddwaliro. Really, can you do that ng'otegeera? Wasoba journalism Mwami Simon, is that allowed?
The right to privacy.
Is it allowed?
It is not allowed. If Kanka was a journalist, but is a blogger, bloggers use different rules. Maybe.
Asobola kukola kintu.
Of course. It is not allowed.
Bannange twagala nnyo ssente. naye tufunemu ak'obuntu
mu mawulire tekikirizibwa naye babuloga
mwami Simon
bakozesa amateeka ganjawulo
tufuneko ak'obuntu tosobola kunoonya
it's not even mawulire even ne constitution ya Uganda in a right to privacy mukasa abeera mu maka ge mu kisenge kye mu ddwaliro bwe bityo aba na right yeeyo
so
is Kankaka your friend
seetaaga kubeera na mukwano gwe because
abadde mukwano
gwange naye ate
so why didn't you call him and talk to him n'okwabukira ku mikoko
I called him
and he said what
everybody called him netuga Kankaka we don't want to see our dad ng'omutaddeyo mu state bwetu wait for him ng'awonye because tatange tanafa if you want anything to be talked about wait for him bulijjo talwala as he died what is there ekikwalinga kati wega nti Kankaka bwe yasemikinga mu ddwaliro ngako egolaba Kankaka ina history jokera okufa kwa omugenzi Jakana Nadulize mweraliikirira before Jakana died you remember what he talked about that man kyagala sente kiringa mayembe nze nalabye abantu ne Kankaka oyagala sente ebyo n'abadde abikola kufunamu sente nothing
sente ziruwa
ku YouTube yeye akola kakati bw'ateekayo ng'abebweru bamuwa ayagala kufunira mutaata wange sente nga bwe yafunira mu Jakana Nalya Ssente z'obujjanjabi Jakana n'afa the boy died ng'akolimidde omuvubuka oyo n'olya sente za Jakana Nadduli oyo Jakana yabyogera ng'ali mu ddwaliro that's what he wants to do kozesa bulwadde bwa taata wange because si gwe ayogerera family yaffe you are not the spokesperson toli mwana we olumirira otyo omuntu okusinga abaana be
anti agamba gwe kyokola oyogerera family n'okosanga muli mu kusolooza buli mulwadde akubira nona sente z'omulwadde zituusa
webale nnyo I want to authoritatively tell people there is no any single bill gye batubanja mu ddwaliro state house paid everything the president sent bebe cool in the hospital mpa mukubire bebe give me my phone baba anakwata kuba agenze bwetu
agenze South Africa
I don't know whether he has left let me call him so kolabe we don't have any bill
so ekizibu kiri
I don't know whether I will repeat because he told me he's leaving to South Africa.
Ajja kupiking anyi muli balwadde ku the inside out ne Tamale mirundi Junior adakwabuka ne Kankaka. I believe Bebe Cool is on his way to South Africa.
Yeah, he's going to South Africa.
He could be
now
at the airport. And
what is this? Let me go here. This is an invoice from Kisubi.
Is an invoice? Yes.
Yes, nganjisindikidde Bebe Cool. I don't know whether
it will open now. Osindikira, it's an invoice.
What?
It's an invoice, yes.
How much money is there?
Million nyingi. So like ndabyeko mmeka 10
this is now
the bill.
Eno yonna bill. How much is there now?
Total invoice balance due 13 million. Is this 130 million or 13 million? Sibitegera.
Million 10 Yes.
Zonna State House yasasudde.
Kati eye first bill.
First.
Eye first. Eri million 13.
Mwemitwalo something.
Nga njisindikira Bebe Cool to authorize payments. Kakati bwe mpulira omusiru Kankaka ndagamba nti sente nzirya buli. I don't know which man I'm eating.
Do people call you?
Of course they have to call me because
Taata Ozisi.
Ne bwemba nziryanga mutabani we nga
limulafayo na.
How can I be blamed for eating?
Okay, eza sali musale ziriwa ze yakuwadde okujjanja omulwadde.
Eza genocide bwaba yazimpa, if it is true yazimpa.
Ne bagati yakuwa ezijjanja.
Ne bwaba yazimpa ezijjanja omulwadde. Ambuza accountability ku sente za genocide musale ze yapa ozimbuza ngani gwe wazimpa. Kamanyiro na kajanja. Bwe yali azimpa yangamba ki? Waliyo? Kakati zisagala Kamanyiro.
Yagamba genda mujjanja bomulwadde.
Webale nnyo era tumujjanjabye. Tumujjanjabye.
Ate za muhozi.
Eza jenemuke. Gwe bwe yali azimpa jenemuke yagamba ate lwaki baziwanza tebaziwagwa. Ati mwingira nnyo famire z'abalala. Ekibasunguwa mulinga nga mwe bataata bammwe balwale bazibawe. Taata wa Kankaka yalwala empanama lwaki tamuteekayo ne bamuwa. His father is sick of Umpanam. Who are you to ask me the accountability? I'm my dad. They told me that after wait. What needs to be paid there? I've told you State House is paid.
So was the funnels?
What don't I talk to my dad?
You do.
Are you the one who gives me instruction on what to do? Kwa you get ngazi my father died.
Sente za sale. Sente za muhozi. Sente za Museveni. Katumba wa mala. Bala mu barugahara.
Siberoboka. Abomenye batono. I have this full list.
Is a harm.
I have the full list.
I'm also paid the list.
The things
the money.
The things of as who zizo. The things of accountability will be I will be accounted by my father only. Stetunaba yitako. Ngabazimpa gwenawe genda bakuwe. Leave me nzijanjabe taata wange the way I see.
Kujja si kusoloza kati wabudde mukujja oli mukusoloza. Ate sente bw'osoloza otwala amaka gatamala tegafuna otwala wannamayanja nnyoko awasanyu tebafuna ewazana tebafuna sente zonna ozirema
balinde nnyini maka anti labayo sente bwenze solooza ogaye nzitwala wa mama wange yaliyo mu ddwaliro yakola ki yamujjanjaba. Let them wait nga nnyini maka awonye gwe bajja obbigamba
kati bo babeewo.
I don't have any responsibility to take care of anybody. I'm working on instructions of my.
But you are taking care of yourself. Sente oziremedde.
Sente zikoze ki?
Oziremedde.
Eziriwa. I send the money to him. My dad gorilla complaining. I've heard my father complaining. Abo n'abambuuza accountability. Bo lwaki tebaziwa bo. Musika as the heir. I'm the one who should be receiving money.
And you deliver to the father, deliver the money.
Has he told you that he has not received?
He's not talking.
True. Now the one who is talking, let me stand in for him. Nzayogera kanyemererawo. Nze myani my father. We shall say
Ekibatabula ne kanka. Munga bana yekibatabula ne kanka.
Kanka kajangani mutabani wa mami Tamale. Mutabani we. How can you blame omutabani w'omuntu newemba sentence lya njaza tata
wa concerned citizen ti sentence
agenda concern ngire mu family ye agenda concern ni sente nyingi juni omulwadde nenda esente tezikola ki tezituka kuki gwe bazikuwoze tuuse let Kankakas which the money
ate yazirina gozirina
leka Kankakas ikole ki buli omuntu walwala nga mutandika gundi nze sikubangako mulanga. I reached my father's friends. Jememo kego yogera ko he sent his PA to the hospital. I never even touched that money.
Atikati zero.
Kakati tetukayana, I'm his son.
Okay, gwafunyeko zani eza katumba wamala.
Eza sina molo solito kati banumba bulira bo ngamba ngabani. Boya garambulire ngabani. Are they family members? ebintu byobuuza balina bimbuuliza mu family meeting ng'atudde wano batudde wali nti yes Mr. Mirundi we had you received the money cause yes what's the problem. Are you the signatory? Are you the recipient or you are the auditor? You see, there will be no auditor for now. Until when my father gets that. Audit. You asking for auditor in the family. Do you have auditors in the family? Until my father is the auditor. Let him get well, we shall audit ourselves. If we are going to quarrel, we shall quarrel the way we have done and come back together. There are things I can't tell you here that I discussed with my dad. He's a tatango where I see you, young my son come here. Genda mu Centenary Bank. Ugambo mchala achusobere signatory. On his account that is worth 500 millions. And you tell me this money. When these people you are talking about were giving me the money, did they tell me that I give accountability to the public? As you.
That's what Kankaka is saying. Abantu sente ziragawa.
Kankaka. Sente siza chitawe. Period. It's my father's money. Even if I eat it.
Okay. Can your father's money leave your pocket and reach your father?
And reach what?
Your father.
It has already reached.
Mirundi tanafuna sente. Mulwadde tategeera.
Gwe yagambe. Lwaki omwogerera nga tonatuka tato wange ayogera mukubire wano
akimanyi nti osoloza sente
mukubire wano nsoloza kale katukitwale nti nsoloza gwofaayo ki gwe kikulumirawo abazipadde nazibajje mu nsawo nazibajje si when you went with my father to genocide he introduced me nga kamala byonna de katikiro I'm the one who finishes everything.
So no demabiga no soloza. The introduction was that bwe ono mwana nge bwe mba nfudde mu muyamba. Ganti muboya abasoloza. The introduction was
lwaki bali bawolereza tabatwalayo. Why is all money is given to Junior when he has other people?
Wetega.
Because I have the trust of my dad. We have fought wars together. I'm the heir, the accountability, the auditor, the Soloza one. Now a Soloza. I want anybody to speak it publicly that I make accountability. My dad is okay. We have paid for the hospital. We have no single bill. But Omulwadde of course, my father tell you mukaseke. Nkwate kifo mukaseke. And I'm the one who is eating the food. I'm the one who is eating. He's the son of the chief mujanja. So together we you can report me to the police that I'm eating my father's food in the hospital because they can't chew. They can't feel that. So let us confirm. I don't want nonsense.
So that it's a KFC.
And the one who is eating. Not the mode. Gaira did the same. Remember, he junior Mary Namaka because when I take or I want to follow Kuli. Market is son. Yes, so much Janjabi. You will get better. Hey, Junior, get blood. It is my dad.
Are you the only child?
Have I refused them to eat also? Not in the hospital. I'm the one who is there. When you are just joking around.
So let us confirm. Okusoloza ko osoloza. Osoloza. Aine sente zagala okukwata Tamale mirundi ezimuja azikuwe.
We don't need more money. And I want to say it publicly. Tetukyetaaga sente. Era dadi mudwaliro tebamubanja is okay. President yamuwaddeyo nezeze enkalu. They paid the hospital and the president gave him his money. And but
he said he cannot accept money from the president. Let
us not go back to history. So, Bebe Cool, my brother has them. I'm dealing with. When Bebe Kuru came, bringing the money from State House, I told him, don't give me that.
Why did the State House give money to Bebe Kuru?
Because is my elder brother. He's a good friend of mine, Bebe Kuru. I told Bebe Kuru, don't give me that money. Stay with it. Just come to the hospital and speak to my dad. My dad told Bebe Kuru, be with my money. When I want anything, I will tell Junior. I will call you on Junior's phone. Ate simu najejjako. Era nakyo bakyemvumira.
Ya mirundi. Ndwaki ofuga banonga
tebasala. Ate simu ya mukungu, when a big person, a senior government official, a public figure, follows sick for security purposes, his phone must be off. It might fall in wrong hands. Era nakimugamba. Namutya esimu twaginoonyanga sigiraba. Nanga Junior going to be I just called Airtel. Yes, the hair, son of Mirundi Junior.
Why do you keep saying the hair? We get a great entire in the family.
I can't answer Kukoba Banza.
Gomukuru mu family yo.
Mirundi
ayinaba ayinaba sawo.
Ayinaba
you are the hair. Next of where? Next from where? You are too young for your other friends. You can't be the hair bakuru way but even decent. Kureneza na kukiriza kubera hair. Kwa bukanyo you cannot manage that family. You cannot manage that family.
Right now, Chitwalent I'm now the one who managing. So, is there other questions
really
concerning the money issue so that I can clear it?
There are just 3 questions which are clear.
The first one.
First, Osoroza.
Yes, people gave me my father's money. And I will not hand it over to anybody.
That's the question 1. Number 2, has the money reached your father?
Has he complained?
You are not answering the question, you are setting another question.
Yes, it has reached. And when it gets well, we shall audit ourselves, the 2 of us.
The 2?
Yes, me and my dad.
That's the money for the family. Omulwadde tumuwa ssente zimuya ko family.
Tebampa tese kyebangamba abazimpa. Mama, thank you so much. Bampadde n'endala. Kitegeera, thank you so much.
Sokola
baziwadde nze nga kyefumo jjanjabi. You see mwami
sasa Irumba abakuwa ssente zino.
Mwami sasa
Irumba abakuwa ssente zino zaaki.
Mwami sasa Simon me.
Leta isende sokojeyo.
Jjanjaba omulwadde wa.
Wano otadde mu mulwadde.
Let us nawe bakuwadde omanyi kati kyenalabye. You kankaka and the rest you want some money. But mujje mpola. You come to my residence.
Mirundi. Nva kulaba ssente emitwalo egi. Nga Andrew Irumba azikuwa. Za kujjanjaba mulwadde Joseph Tamale Mirundi senior.
Tata wa matwe ya.
Chabu yatuke wa Mirundi soka kumubuuza oba yalajje ssente Joseph ndokozesa.
Nga chiefu omujjanjabi. Era asoloza. Sente zino ziresivinze unajja kuleetera receipt. Kati njagala audit. I want anybody to audit me. Whether you are the one who's going to
audit. Why is the receipt coming?
Wala katinga omwami wazimpadde is the one to audit. Omanyi when we allow muve mu family zaffe. Mwami sasa imoni muyanga lutaye muve mu family zaffe.
Kaka lwaki gowe kagoyogera abaana abalabaalagawa
abajje bafuna emizindalo tomanya namba zabo. You call them. But as long as I'm here, I'll be here. Because I'm speaking on behalf of Jesus Christ.
So who is looking after Tamale Mirundi?
My mother. My mother.
Your mother is looking for only you and Tamale Mirundi. Abala tebalina kye.
Naye we are working.
Era bwe bali gamba kanka kayogera nnyo ffe tetulina kye tufuna. Banyoko tobamanyi tomakitawo ina banyoko abala.
That is not the right way to do. If you have
what a sente weko ne banyoko nabo balabirira abaana baganda bo.
Them come to me.
Oh.
Bangambe Junior.
Oh.
We have as the father now. We are facing challenges here and
there.
You cannot look for Kanka who is not even a family member ensaba ya ssente nze azisolooza zimmenya okusolooza. Do you know the words I use?
Sente zikumenya okusolooza.
To solicit the money, if it is true I'm soliciting. Do you know the words I use? Kati let them come.
Kati oyogedde amazima kange ogenda n'ogamba abantu tuli bubi nnyo family
kituufu
ne bakuwa ssente.
Kankaka ebintu byayogedde ebituufu bingi byonna bituufu. Mbu nagula emmotoka yange.
Waguze emmotoka embi.
Yes,
mu ssente z'omulwadde
I'm driving emmotoka ya bukadde 7.
Wazijjeewo.
I'm not a poor guy. If you want to know my wealth, go to the Ministry of Lands and put my name. I have land titles in my names. I have built my home in Chengera. I'm not a poor guy, my friend. If people didn't know, is that is a number plate? You know me. Mozambique and Narwana didn't they have it? How can you? They didn't inform me that Junior, I want now to follow sick. Please.
So how did you order for the new car in the same time? Is it coincidence?
It was my plan. That's why my plan. It was a coincidence. Even the other car I had, they ran a Jigula Mulwadde. I don't know why all coincidence happened when my dad is sick. I don't know. We should ask God.
That cannot be coincidence.
Why is it? Even the other.
That's what comes.
Even the other.
Why should it be that every time he's sick, that's when you buy new cars?
The good thing I'm eating on my father. Go to the police and report me that John here is being given money in the name of his dad. And his dad is around.
And he is not delivering the money.
He's not. Who told you that I'm not delivering the money? When I have told you we are paying for everything, my dad is happy every evening. We have
the money to Mirundi and allow him to spend. Why are you
my
the one
father
giving
stated Jarim aida kumala kuona. Shete abasawo ne shete Omulwadde Kuba nazo sibad zirwaza. Ayinza okuddamu n'alwala ssenyiga. Please, muturekere omulwadde waffe. As his children, my brothers, I want to thank them. We are all working together to save his life.
No, you are all talking together. You are alone.
Is now
you are all talking together.
Is now okay? Is now okay, my dad? In fact, weekend. When they comes back, the good thing my mother is there. We shall find a way of auditing each other. Right now, kakaka, it's all background noise. Again, I'm a family. I'm here. You can't work without me.
And that's the problem.
Yes.
How do we eliminate you? You want to work with somebody else
because
other than you.
I'm here because of my precious dad. And he loves me so much. So every evening we have a one-on-one with him. That dad, we have done this, we have done this. Oh, thank you, my son.
Okay, this is a question. You were Catholic. Look into that camera. Is your father where you have his money?
He will be aware at the right time. He's sick. Why do you buy the sick man? You know
what you're saying?
You want me to kill my father? Aja kutegeera right now what I'm kokati my father to get well. That's a priority.
How do we ensure you declare the money when he gets well?
When he gets well,
yeah, how do we ensure you have
declared? Is this the first time he's falling sick? Every time when he falls sick, I'm the chief mojanjabi. Anybody who wants to undermine me, thinking that you will not work with me, you are wasting time. I get instructions from my dad. My dad is not dead, is alive.
This is also
okay.
This is also a fact. Every time your father falls sick, coincidence is that you also buy a new car. Fact, false.
That's a fact. I don't even buy cars on even hand. That's a time. Yes. For my money, because it's my money.
From your money.
Kati abo bekiruma Junior yaguze motoka wadde yagalangule ya nyoko. Nyoko yagiguze. Wadde yagalangule boda boda. Ndo sitali kuseteza tatange Nalya Ssente. Nalya Ssente niba kiba kituufu naguzeemu emmotoka. If I don't eat on my father's money, Nalya Ssente erinnya lye yakolerera ku India. Big people call me, yes Junior, have you received? Nga yes General. I give up this to the people who have given me money every day, not this every Tom and Dick. You see, leave my father to get well. Nze Musika Wendi is here. Anything you want, ask me, my phone is on.
Towuliramuuko muligiro ti ssente z'omulwadde nga ziremedde mu nsawo yo.
Ate omulwadde taata wa gamba towuliramu nga ssente za kitaawo gwegwe yagamba ozitereke. Kyekibuuzo ekituufu. Naye Junior, lwaki taata wa kuteresa nnyo ssente ze? Ekyo musiru kati nalabye ekikaka katika mbu omusajja alina medical insurance. Why are we paying if he's insured? Does State House insure my dad? Since when? These are all idiots thinking that when they abuse me as a son, I will lose my role. I have a big role to play. The only priority I have is to make sure my father is well, to treat him. When he gets better, we shall sit at our home and we'll perish through.
Ebigambo webikubulira when he gets well, ebigambo webikubulira.
Right now I'm Bambuza Center. I'm not the right people to ask me money. They have no moral jurisdictions to even talk about money. It is in the right hands.
The inside out. Ne Joseph Tamale Mirundi Junior, Tamale Mirundi Senior tumwagaliza okuba obulungi.
Yeah,
amalungi tufunye nti atandise okuterera.
Era nawe genda yombala.
Ategendaga kati mwabadde mutuganyi naye bangambi kati mwakiriza.
I have now accepted.
We can access.
I had refused people to go there because state je yali munga yetaga ko rest. But walwa nga tabantunga mmwe bakwano bawo bala. So I have now allowed.
Okay. Mkulu atukiriza kati nina sente ze mbadde mutwalire za amatanzi.
Zitwale mu ddwaliro ziwe maama wange.
Obanzi ate nziwe nnyo.
Because ya muliko ebirala ebireke.
Nziwe maama wo?
Kati oba oyina ebyokulya byolese talya bulungi byo bireke wano.
Nze Simon Muyanga Lutaya.
This is Inside Out.